If you want to give it a title, great. Give it a great title. Give
Right.
it something that's engaging. The first thing that people want to hear. They read that and they go, I want to read that. The second is give it a subtitle. These are things that Google these are must-haves for our systems.
Yeah.
Make it engaging.
Good example of engaging, because I know that that can be a little subjective, right?
Standard story is that we get, and here's a bad example for you. Hi, we're a vendor and we're at this trade show. And it's 40 words.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And let me tell you, you know how they meet that 300 word? They'll write 360 words about themselves at the bottom, about who they are and what they do. And in this industry, everybody already knows what you do, especially if you're an aircraft manufacturer.
Sure.
They know you make helicopters.
Right.
Pretty sure.
Yeah.
So one of the things that we want to do to say to these guys is we're not going to use that content because everybody knows it.
Right.
And sometimes
it's not unique.
when you
Yeah.
exactly,
Yeah.
and now if you're competing for the attention at a trade show,
Right.
make sure that press release is engaging. So give it to us in a story format and tell us what it is, why it's so great, and how it improves on anything else in the industry.